Welcome back, guys. This is Hira Babu, and you are watching ProgrammingSet.com. So today we are going to learn a new Java questions for the Java interview preparation, right? So let's begin. We have a question: difference between the string buffer, and the string builder, right? So let's understand one by one. So, as we know, string stores values in the SCP. SCP is a string constant pool, right? That is in the JVM memory. That is JVM memory. JVM provides a heap for the storing the values and those things, and as well as class memory area. Similarly, all the string goes to the string constant pool area, where once the string reference changes the old value that exists in the SCP, that cannot be erased. Once you store the value, you cannot change the value, right? Let's understand. We have a string var, right? If somehow we in the string variable we have abc as a value, and someone is going to change this value to xyz, right? So what will happen? This string variable now will point to xyz, but abc will be in the string constant pool as a string, right? And the xyz will be the new string that will be the reference of the string variable. It means both will stay in the string constant pool area, right? Why it is happening? Because of the duplicacy. Because a string constant pool saying that you cannot store the duplicate value in the string constant pool, right? Once you store the value, you cannot erase the value. Okay, so then the older value remains in this constant pool, right? So let's understand what is string buffer. String buffer is similar, but it has stored the value in the stack. If the value will change, then the new value replaces the older value, right? And a string buffer is synchronized, which is thread safe, and the performance is lower than the string builder, because one thread can access only one time. If the environment is multi-threading, the all the thread cannot access the same stack, same value, right? So string buffer is slower than a string builder. Why? Because the string builder is same as a string buffer, except the string builder, which is not a thread safe, right? So it is synchronized, right? It is not, sorry, it is not synchronized. In the synchronized method, what is happening? You can only pass at a time one execution for a thread. You cannot execute a block, or you can say a resource for the multiple object, or you can multiple thread, right? So obviously performance will be the faster for the, because a string builder is not thread safe, and so it is faster than a string buffer. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please let me know. I will ping you. Okay, give a comment. Thank you.